thousand stories it used to show. In the mirror's light it softly glows, where time has left its gentle hold. Does collect but doesn't change the scene, one so vibrant, clear and crystalline, lies entwined in moments unforeseen, in the past where we have always been. Faded memories dancing in the dark, echoes of the place where we left our mark, spinning around like shadows in the room, lost in the rhythm of a distant tune. Colors dimmed but faces still remain, tender whispers caught within the frame, silent witness to unspoken pain. Every heartbeat won't feel the same. Songs of yesterday play faint and low, in the background where our memories flow. Every smile and tear we used to know lives on in the light of a gentle glow. We were young, the nights were never cold, stories that our eyes could never hold. But now the room feels empty, somewhat old, faded photo telling tales of old. Dancing in the dark, echoes of a place where we left our mark, spinning around like shadows in the room, lost in the rhythm of a distant tune.